Today we will start our new chapter, that is neighboring region of Pakistan. Now let us discuss what is a region. Region is a place on the earth's surface which is having one or more common characteristic that give it an identity. Means if we talk about Europe, it is having same currency. If we talk about Asia, it is approximately having same atmosphere. If we talk about Middle East, we are referred to Arabs and three non-Arabs countries. So the main description of region is, or the characteristic of region is this, that it is having, or a region is having a single same characteristics or a common characteristic, or more than one common characteristic is called a region. In this chapter we will discuss a lot about the regions of the world. First of all, we will discuss Middle East region, and that is very important nowadays. It's very now we are having hot issues, and now we are having hot issues about Lebanon, about United Arab Emirates, and about Israel, etc., etc. Nowadays news channels are talking about Israel. Nowadays news channels are talking about Middle East, and Middle East is having contract. Some few countries are having contract with Israel. So आजकल बहुत खबरों में सुन रहे होंगे कि व्हाट इज़ मिडल ईस्ट, और मिडल ईस्ट में क्या हो रहा है, क्या मशरिक़ वस्ता सुनते हैं ना आप. सो इट इज़ मिडल ईस्ट. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस व्हाट इज़ मिडल ईस्ट, characteristics of Middle East, etc., etc. First of all, Middle East. The Middle East region is the western part of Asia. Let us move toward the map of the world in the atlas. Middle East region is the western part of Asia. If you are in Asia, the western part, if you are here in Asia, the western part of Asia is called Middle East. Have you got my point? It includes three non-Arab countries. Do remember three non-Arab countries जो अरब नहीं हैं. उनमें कौन कौन से हैं? That is Afghanistan here. That is Turkey. It is non-Arab country. Afghanistan, Turkey, and next one is Iran. These three countries are non-Arab countries. Rest of the other countries, Syria, Saudi Arabia, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Oman, United Arab Emirates, and then Iraq, Syria. These are Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, Emirates, Qatar, Oman, all from the Middle East countries. You can see it on your book too. Afghanistan and three non-countries. What are Afghanistan and Turkey? These are three non-Arab countries. Rest of the others are Iran, Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Yemen. These are these countries. Now let us discuss economic characteristics of East. Your long question 2. First of all, mark the from the Middle East western part of Asia, and it is having three non-Arab countries. Which one? Iran, Afghanistan, and Turkey. You can see it here: Afghanistan, and Turkey. Then the other Arab countries form a block. Region is called Middle East region. That region is called Middle East. Now let us discuss characteristics of Middle East region. The region is very well known for oil production. You can see that heading here to oil production of Arab countries, known for its crude for oil reserve, production and transport, export of petroleum. They are very rich in petroleum. वहाँ पानी महंगा है और पेट्रोल सस्ता है. And then Qatar, UAE, example के तौर पे आपने EG लिखना है. For example, Qatar, UAE, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, right? Then Turkey's economic characteristics. Turkey is non-Arab country. That's why we are talking about Turkey's economic characteristics. First of all, oil production of Arab countries means the Arab area, Lebanon, Jordan, UAE, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen. These are Arab countries, so they are rich in oil production. And Turkey's economic characteristics, they are not dependent on oil, having a economy. There is no oil. Turkey has good agriculture and industrial. Also, they are having good and rich industries. Fruit, dairy products, wool and textile, and other goods are important items of Turkish export. So it is very important country of the Middle East. Turkey is very important country of the Middle East. Next, of give the population of Middle East. Do you know our majority population or majority population of Pakistan is working in Middle East? ये सुनते हैं रहे हैं और फलां majority जो है majority is settled in Saudi Arabia, then they are also in Turkey, they are also UAE. तो ये तीन they are two. The of three Turkey and Saudi Arabia is respectively around 75 million, 65 million and 28 million. और इनकी टोटल ये पॉपुलेशन ये मिडल ईस्ट की पॉपुलेशन है और इसमें जो सब है वो जो सब स्मॉल UAE or all the Arab oil producing countries have millions of immigrants working on time related visa. Oil producing बात करें millions of workers are or immigrants working on time related visa. So it's also there in this question. इसमें बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग है तो बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं. Most of the come from Asia and from Pakistan. So immigrants वर्ल्ड ठीक है कि पूरी दुनिया से यहाँ लोग काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन स्पेशली एशिया से फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान people are there who are working in oil producing areas or oil producing region. सबसे बड़ी characteristic क्या है मिडल ईस्ट की? It is having or it is rich in oil. They all make positive contribution in the economic growth of. So first question ends. What my middle first of all countries are heading of Middle East, then down the names of the country found here, then characteristics of Middle East. Arab countries are rich in oil. Turkey port, industries, products. Then Middle East of population is there, and then they are telling that producing countries have millions of immigrants. बहुत सारे लोग बाहर से वहाँ पे आके काम कर रहे हैं and they come from क्योंकि उनकी अपनी आबादी नहीं है ना बेटे. कतर में 0.9 मिलियन है. आप सोच सकते हैं पाकिस्तान की इतनी है और आप सोचें 2.5 तो 1 equal to 10 लाख आपकी 5 मिलियन है तो एटलीस्ट 20 लाख पीपल है. बाकी उन्होंने लोग आके काम कर रहे हैं. जो मोस्ट इमिग्रेंट गो टू मिडल ईस्ट फ्रॉम एशिया और एशिया में जो सबसे ज़्यादा लोग हैं ना काम करने वाले जो जहाँ पाकिस्तान द पॉपुलस कंट्री इंडिया वन ऑफ नॉट मोस्ट पॉपुलर इंडिया देयर इन दीज कंट्रीज वी आर पाकिस्तान. सो अबाउट पाकिस्तान.